Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how you can watch Dragon Ball Daima for free. Well, this is very easy actually, so even if you have to wait to the anime to be released, you have this option that is free and legal. The only thing you have to do is to go to your browser and you have to search funimation.com, and as you can see you will appear in this website that is Crunchyroll, where you don't need to create an account and pay for it, but you also can use the free premium trial that you can get for 7 days. And you have to scroll down, and as you can see here you will get something like this: Dragon Ball Daima TV anime starts on October 11. Well, this means that Dragon Ball Daima will appear here in this website, so you will be able to watch it here. And as you can see, Tower of God is also here. You have a lot of anime, you have One Piece, you have My Hero Academia, you have everything here. So if this video helped you in some way, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and press the bell in the subscription button. Goodbye and easy way.